Swimfin is a unique, self-adjusting learn-to-swim aid for kids of all ages and abilities. It comes in 6 distinctive and bright colours, and it can be used to teach all 4 swimming strokes, including backstroke. With its fun design, kids will love to try it, and when they do, they will have so much confidence in the water. Swimfin is hand-moulded from high-quality EVA foam. It's non-inflatable, so it won't burst or deflate in use, and one size fits all. So this is the Swimfin and this is Ellie, and we're going to show you just how easy it is to use the Swimfin. Basically, it goes this way up, just like a shark. Each fin comes with its own set of straps, which is made from grade A quality Velcro, which actually gets stickier as it gets wet, so they won't move. The straps go high around the chest, and there are actually other sets of straps available for bigger children and adults. The design of the Swimfin means it'll never slip off or tip the child forward in the water. Swimfin has been extensively tested and complies with international safety standards. Plus, it's fun, and that's what gives the kids the confidence they need in the water. So what do you reckon, guys? Let's go for a swim! When the child is starting to learn to swim, the Swimfin is completely submerged. It fully supports them in the water and will even support the weight of an adult. It doesn't tip them forward, but does encourage them to use their arms and legs. As the child starts to swim, the Swimfin comes up out of the water, so it's self-adjusting based on the amount of support required. It doesn't get in the way and leaves hands and legs free for swimming. It can even be used for stroke correction on more advanced little swimmers. When the child stops, it fully supports them in the water again, giving them a feeling of security and confidence. Swimfin is the only swimming aid that can be effectively used on all 4 strokes, including backstroke, because it acts like a keel in the water, and swim instructors or parents can hold onto the fin under the water without the child knowing. Swimfin comes with a lifetime guarantee, and studies have shown that it can reduce learn to swim time by up to 1/3. For just $39.95, invest in water safety. Go to swimfin.com.au to purchase your child one today.